So if you owed taxes in 2022 or 2021, I have some very, very good news for you. Just a few days ago, the IRS released a statement saying that they are going to waive the failure to pay penalty for certain taxpayers who owed taxes in the tax years 2020 and 2021. If you don't know what a failure to pay penalty is, that's okay. I'm about to explain it. So the IRS expects taxpayers to pay their taxes throughout the year, which is why if you have a W-2 job, you have taxes withheld with each of your paychecks. And if you're self-employed and you don't get W-2s, you're supposed to make quarterly payments, meaning that you pay towards your taxes 4 times a year. Not everyone is required to make quarterly payments, but everyone who owes tax at the time that they file their return is required to pay those taxes on April 15th. That is regardless of if you file an extension or not. So even if you file an extension for that year and then you file your return October 15th, you were supposed to pay your taxes April 15th. So the failure to pay penalty has been accruing for all of that time. So the reason this is really good news is because the IRS has decided to waive those penalties for certain taxpayers, and I will explain who in just one moment. So the taxpayers who are eligible for this relief have to meet 3 qualifications. The first qualification is that they filed their tax return for 2020 and or 2021, because those are the years that they're applying this penalty waiver for. And then secondly, the taxes that you owed for those tax years were less than $100,000 per year. And third, you received an initial balance due notice from the IRS between February 5th, 2022 and December 7th of 2023. The other piece of this good news is if you're eligible for that penalty waiver, you don't have to do anything. The IRS is going to automatically credit your account. So you can go onto your IRS Online account and double check and see if that penalty was waived. I'll put the link to log into your IRS Online account in the comments. I also routinely assist my clients with logging into their IRS Online accounts. We usually sit down on a Zoom call and I'll show you how to log in and show you where to find what you're looking for. So if that's a service that you're interested in, I will also leave the link to book that type of appointment with me in the comments as well.